Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, let's take a look at tiny homes. They're all the rage right now. Now, whether you decide to sell all of your belongings, do the ultimate downsize and completely move into one, or if you aren't ready to take that big of a leap, you can purchase one, place it in another city, state, maybe somewhere close to the water, and just use it as a vacation home. No matter which path that you choose to take, we're going to take a good look at tiny homes today. Going to show you some of the various designs. You will be surprised. They aren't like little sheds out there. Some of them are very gorgeous and beautiful and available in a multitude of styles. I truly hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye friends.
High.
Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.